Hey there, this is Dominic, and I wanted to walk you through the process of creating a global announcement for your school site. Global announcements are very powerful because they actually go on to every user's dashboard when they're created as an alert to go out to the entire system. So they work great for those announcements that you want to make to all people on site, but you don't want to overuse it either, right? Just keep that aware. Just be aware of that. So first, if you've been given access to be able to create global announcements, you're going to notice that you have an admin button over here. I'm going to go ahead and select that. And I'm going to choose the sub account for which I want to create the global announcement. In this case, I'm working today in the Peninsula Continuation High School. I'm going to go down to Settings, and under the Settings tab, you're going to notice there is a tab for Announcements. Now these are examples of global announcements that have been set in the past. It actually keeps a record of all of these, so as you scroll down you'll see past announcements, and this can be helpful if you want to reuse an announcement because you use them on an annual basis. Okay, we are going to create a new announcement, and you'll notice that down below there is a button to do so. I click on New Announcement, and now I get a new set of parameters. In this case, I'm going to go ahead and title this as I'm going to do a promotion for yearbook. So it'll say get your yearbook now. And I could choose the information type. You'll notice here is a basically editing bar that I can add all kinds of information. I can even just type text if I want to, if this is going to be a text alert. But in this case, actually, I have a lot of people that will create flyers for me, and I just want to post the flyer or graphic, right? So I'm going to choose the little embed image icon. And when I do that, you'll see that if I had the URL of an image to a public site, I could put that URL there. But since I'm going to be adding an image that comes from my computer, I'm going to click on the canvas option. And you're going to notice that, don't worry about that, over here you have this My Files option. I can open that up, and then it's going to give me some choices here in terms of folders that I can put these images into. I'm just going to choose this unfiled option, and I'm going to go ahead and click upload file. Now I will find the file on my device. So here I'm pulling it from my documents folder. It's an image called yearbook, and as it uploads, I'll go ahead and click update at the very bottom, and now that image is going to show up literally inside of the content of my global announcement. Alright. Now below this I have some other options. I can choose who is going to be the audience for this. So in this case I'm going to send it to students and teachers, and even possibly observers, which would be parents that are in the system, so they could see it too, right, as a global announcement for them. I can choose when this is going to happen and be released, and this is kind of helpful because it's great where you can schedule these to both show up and appear as well as disappear, right? So over here, announcement ends, and I'm going to have this run for an entire week, so I'll put it to the, let's see, March 2nd. Right, and I'll click done here. So now it's going to start on the Friday, it's going to go through the whole week, and everyone will see it. And that's basically how I'll do that. So once I go ahead and push out and publish this announcement, instantly all folks at the site will see this global announcement now show up. All right, and that's all it takes. So good luck and have fun.